Hi, myself Santosh Kumar. Now I am going to discuss a topic that is speech and language development. In this topic, I will cover what is language, theory of Noam Chomsky, how to develop language at your home, and conclusion of this topic. As I said, what is language? Language is sharing of belief, thoughts, expression between living things. It may be verbal language or non-verbal language. It is action between living things that we should consider. It is basically a sharing of thoughts between two living things. Next, I will discuss about Noam Chomsky. He was also called as father of modern linguistics. He developed a theory, that is theory of universal grammar. It belongs to psychoanalytical school of linguistics. He was one of the greatest philosopher, American journalist, sociologist. First time in the modern world, he tried to connect science and language. He linked language development with scientific theories. According to this theory, universal grammar. Why I am discussing this theory? Because as per me, according to me, everyone being a student, teacher, parent, a guardian, everyone should know what is theory of universal grammar. In this theory, he discussed three main points regarding a language that is connected with science. First point in this theory, every child knows basic rules. By birth, please listen carefully. By birth, every child knows basic grammar rules. We need not to correct him, we need not to teach him any extra grammar. By birth, by default, he has basic grammar rules. It is the first point in this theory of universal grammar rule. Because of this, the native speaker of English or native speaker of Kannada, native speaker of Hindi, their children by default he or she will learn language without teaching any grammar. Second point, all languages follow same grammar structure throughout the world. According to him, grammar of any language, it may be Spanish, Mandarin, French, English, Tamil, Telugu, any languages, they follow some basic structure. We have to keep in mind that. What is the structure? Every language has subject, verb, helping verb, noun, adverb, adjective. They follow some basic structure. There is no vast difference between these grammars. Then third point. According to him, kids don't make grammatical mistake. That means don't try to correct your children. Whatever he is speaking it's right. That is the theory of language. Don't try to demotivate him, demotivate her. Whatever he is speaking, that is the right. That is the theory of universal grammar. Why I discuss this thing is, most of the time, we as a parent, या teacher, या friends, most of the time, whenever a kid, whenever a student, if he or she is speaking, someone try to correct her. Please don't do. Whenever your children speaks incorrectly, या grammatically incorrect, या some words meaning something it does, if he or she does wrong, don't try to correct him. Don't try to correct. By default, it is right. By birth, he was right. We no one to correct him. It is not said by me. It was said by great linguist scientist Noam Chomsky. Next, I will further continue this topic. Third main heading: how to develop language at your home. See, for developing language, for speaking, for talking, first our kid has to listen more. He or she has to listen more and more sounds. Has to listen to the nature, listen to sounds of the river, sounds of birds, sounds of animals, sounds of car. He has to listen. Then only he can imitate. Listening is must for the development of language. Second, I request, being a parent, please follow any religion. It may be Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Christian, any religion. Follow the religion and try to inculcate that religious habits with your kids. Why? Because religion develops collective self-consciousness, togetherness. It binds between two souls, like chanting mantras, slokas, Vedas, it may be namaz, anything. It binds our feelings from womb to tomb, from cradle to grave, from birth to death. Religion is must. Please, whenever you are going to mandir, masjid, church, take your children along with you. Whenever involving any religious activities, take your kids with you. It will develop socialness, togetherness, sharing the feelings between you and your student, between your kids. That will help in further development of language. Thirdly, speak what you are doing. Whenever you are with your kids, speak what you are doing first. Like, see my son, I am dancing. See my son, I am eating. See my son, I am going. First, speak what you are doing. Fourth is speak, talk what your son is doing, what your kid is doing. Explain what your kid is doing. Then fifth, wait for minimum 5 to 10 seconds. Wait and watch what kids reply. Give him some sufficient time to reply for imitation. Don't try to jump a conclusion immediately. Don't come conclusion very much fast. Sixth, whenever your kids make any mistake, don't try to correct immediately. Don't try to correct it. It demotivates it. It creates further pronunciation problem, meaning problem, and everything. Don't try to correct it. Let him speak. Let him talk. By trial and error, he will learn. The language is learned by means of trial and error only. Without error, without trial, no kid can learn language. Lastly, I want to conclude this topic as you take example of any great leaders in the world. You take Alexander, Gandhi, Ambedkar, Martin Luther King, Che Guevara, या आचार्य ओशो और रजनीश. These all great philosophers, all great personalities, they were extensive readers and extensive visitors. They all used to read lakhs of books. They all read lakhs of books in their lifetime and visited lakhs of museum, tourist spots, cultural spots, etc., etc., etc. We have to mingle with different society. We have to feel the feelings, expression, thoughts of different classes in our society, different races in our society, different languages in our society. We have to learn. For developing language, we have to read extensive books and extensive visit to different places. Thank you all. Thank you. Okay, stay safe.